Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at a complex piece of software and wondered, how on earth did someone make this? Or perhaps you're a developer yourself, constantly battling deadlines, bugs, and the sheer volume of code that needs to be written. Well, what if I told you there's a new force emerging from the quiet labs of OpenAI, something so groundbreaking, it's set to utterly transform the world of software development. Its name is OpenAI Codex. And trust me when I say, this isn't just another incremental update in the tech world. This is a profound leap forward. Imagine describing what you want your software to do, in plain, everyday language, and then watching, in real time, as an intelligent agent translates your very words into functional, elegant, and often astonishingly efficient code. This is the incredible promise of Codex. It's like having a brilliant, tireless programmer quite literally at your fingertips, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life with unprecedented speed. It's a game changer, plain and simple. So, how does it do this? At its core, Codex leverages a powerful transformer architecture, a kind of neural network that you might recognize from its renowned sibling, GPT-3. But here's the crucial difference. Codex has been uniquely, meticulously fine-tuned for the incredibly complex and nuanced world of software engineering. It's been trained on a massive, almost unfathomable ocean of human-written code and natural language. This means it doesn't just parrot back syntax. It understands programming conventions, it grasps best practices, and it even picks up on the subtle nuances of human-like coding style. The result? Code that isn't just functional, but clean, readable, and often indistinguishable from what a seasoned human developer might produce. So, what can this digital architect truly accomplish? Its capabilities stretch far beyond basic code completion. Codex can generate entire new features from a simple natural language prompt. It can pinpoint and fix bugs in existing code with incredible speed. It can even answer complex questions about a codebase, acting like an instant, knowledgeable mentor. Need unit tests written? It can do it. Want to refactor a large, messy section of code? Codex is on it. It can even draft pull requests for review. Think of it as a virtual, incredibly powerful collaborator, capable of handling a multitude of software engineering tasks simultaneously, freeing us, the human developers, to focus on the higher-level design, the creative problem-solving, and the pure innovation. OpenAI has even demonstrated Codex's ability to work on multiple tasks in parallel, each within its own isolated, secure virtual environment. This means it could be fixing a tricky bug on one part of your project, while simultaneously drafting a brand new feature on another, all without interfering with your ongoing work. It's like orchestrating a digital symphony of labor, with Codex as your brilliant, efficient conductor. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how we actually use Codex. Because, and this is important, it's not about handing over control completely. Instead, it's about a fascinating new dance, a true collaboration between human intuition and AI efficiency. Think of it like this. You, the human developer, provide the high-level vision, the strategic direction, and the nuanced understanding of the problem you're trying to solve. You define the what. Codex, on the other hand, excels at the how. You might give it a prompt like, create a Python function that sorts a list of dictionaries by a specific key, in descending order. Almost instantly, Codex can generate the initial boilerplate code, ensure the correct syntax, and even handle edge cases you might not have immediately thought of. Your role then shifts from typing out every single line to reviewing, refining, and steering the AI. You become less of a typist and more of an architect, a strategist, a true creative force. This iterative process is where the magic truly happens. You review the code Codex produces, perhaps suggesting a different approach, or pointing out a more efficient way to achieve a specific outcome. Codex learns from your feedback, adapts, and presents new solutions. It's a continuous feedback loop that not only improves the generated code, but also, in a way, helps the AI understand your specific coding style and preferences over time. This makes it incredibly personalized, almost like it's learning your unique programming language. But the impact of Codex extends far beyond just generating lines of code. It's fundamentally changing how we approach problem-solving in software engineering as a whole. Imagine being able to prototype ideas at lightning speed, Got a brilliant concept for a new app feature? Describe it to Codex, get a basic functional prototype in minutes, and then iterate and expand from there. This drastically reduces the barrier to entry for building new things and accelerates the entire innovation pipeline. This also opens up the world of programming to a wider audience. If you can clearly articulate what you want, even without deep coding knowledge, tools powered by Codex can potentially help you bring your ideas to life. This democratizes development, allowing domain experts, perhaps scientists, visionary designers, or even incredible artists, to build custom tools and applications without needing to become full-fledged software engineers. It truly bridges the gap between raw intention and tangible execution. For me, this is one of the most exciting aspects. Think about scientific research, where complex simulations or intricate data analysis scripts are often the biggest bottlenecks. With Codex, researchers could simply describe their analytical needs and get immediate working code, freeing them to focus entirely on the scientific discovery itself. It's about leveraging AI to accelerate human ingenuity across countless fields, from medicine to astronomy. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. There are significant challenges and crucial ethical considerations we need to address as Codex continues to evolve. Accuracy is paramount. While incredibly capable, AI-generated code isn't always perfect. It might, at times, contain subtle bugs, potential security vulnerabilities, or simply not be the most optimal solution for a very specific use case. That's why human review, rigorous testing, and experienced oversight remain absolutely critical. Codex is a powerful assistant, but it's not a flawless oracle. Another area of ongoing discussion is data privacy and intellectual property. The underlying models are trained on vast datasets of public code, but as they become more integrated into private, proprietary code bases, ensuring data security, maintaining confidentiality, and understanding who owns the generated code will be crucial. These are complex, evolving questions that the industry is actively working through, developing best practices and legal frameworks. But make no mistake, my friends, we are standing at the precipice of a brand new era in software development. OpenAI Codex isn't just a fancy tool. It's a profound testament to the power of AI to augment human capabilities in ways we could only dream of just a few years ago. It's pushing us to fundamentally reconsider what it means to be a programmer, what it means to build software, and how we can best collaborate with intelligent machines to create a future that's more innovative, more efficient, and perhaps most importantly, more accessible to absolutely everyone. The lines between human and AI creation are blurring, and the journey has truly just begun. We're not just writing code anymore. We're orchestrating it, guiding it, and shaping it with the most powerful tools ever conceived. So, what do you think? Are you ready for this future? I really hope this deep dive into OpenAI Codex was as informative and thought-provoking for you as it was for me to explore. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.